Welcome to Easy English World.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy English World. Today we have a very powerful and emotional conversation about something that affects all of us. Don't waste your time. This is a deep and realistic interview between James and Mia. You will learn English through real-life situations, feelings, and meaningful conversations. So, relax, listen carefully, and practice speaking with us. Let's begin. Good morning, Mia. Please come in.
Good morning, James. Thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So, Mia, before we begin, I want this to feel like a conversation, not just an interview. Be honest, be natural.
I appreciate that. I'll try my best.
Great. Let's start simple. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Mia. I'm 27 years old. I've worked in customer service for about 5 years, but honestly, I feel like I've been stuck.
Stuck. That's an interesting word. What do you mean by that?
I mean, I go to work every day, I do my job, I go home, but I don't feel like I'm growing. Sometimes I feel like I'm wasting my time.
That's a strong feeling, and a very honest one. Let me ask you something, Mia. What does wasting time mean to you?
For me, wasting time means doing something that doesn't help your future. Something that doesn't make you better, happier, or stronger.
Can you give me a real example from your life?
Yes. Every night, after work, I scroll on my phone for hours. Social media, videos, random things. At first, it feels relaxing, but later, I feel empty.
Empty?
Yes. Like I lost time, but gained nothing.
That's very real. Many people feel the same way.
I know. And the worst part is, I know I'm doing it, but I still do it.
Why do you think that happens?
Maybe because it's easy. And improving yourself is hard.
Let's go deeper, Mia. Have you ever regretted how you spent your time?
Yes, many times.
Can you share one moment?
When I was in college, I had big dreams. I wanted to learn new skills, maybe start a small business. But instead, I spent most of my time with friends, just having fun.
And now?
Now, those friends have moved on, and I feel like I'm starting from zero.
That must be hard to accept.
It is, but it's also my reality.
Do you think it was completely a waste?
Not completely. I learned about people, about life, but I wish I had balanced it better.
Let me share something with you.
Okay.
When I was younger, I worked in a job I didn't like for almost 7 years.
7 years? That's a long time.
Yes, every day I said, I'll leave next year. But next year never came.
Why didn't you leave?
Fear. Fear of change. Fear of failure.
I understand that.
One day, my mentor told me something I will never forget. He said, James, if you don't choose your future, time will choose it for you.
Wow, that's powerful.
That sentence changed my life. Let's imagine something, Mia.
Okay.
You have 2 choices. 1, stay in your current life, safe, comfortable, but slow growth. 2, take a risk. Learn new skills, face challenges, maybe fail. Which one do you choose?
I want to say the second one.
Want to say or will choose?
That's the hard part. Choosing is easy to say, but hard to do.
What is stopping you?
Fear again. And also, doubt. What if I fail?
Let me ask you this. What if you don't try?
Then I fail anyway.
Exactly. Let's be practical now. What small changes can you make starting today?
Maybe Reduce my phone time.
Good. How?
Set a timer. Maybe 1 hour only.
Great. What else?
Learn something every day, even for 30 minutes.
Like what?
English, communication, maybe business skills.
That's a strong plan. Mia, be honest with me. Are you afraid of wasting your life?
Yes, very afraid.
Why?
Because time doesn't come back. And one day, I don't want to say, I had chances, but I didn't use them.
That fear can be powerful, but don't let it stop you. Let it push you. After this conversation, what will you do differently?
I will start small, but I will start. No more waiting for the perfect time.
Because?
Because the perfect time doesn't exist.
Exactly. Mia, this was not just an interview. This was a real conversation.
Yes, and honestly, I needed this.
I think many people need this reminder. Don't waste your time.
Thank you, James.
Thank you, Mia, and good luck on your journey. Thank you for watching Easy English World. Remember this, time is your most valuable resource. Small daily actions create big life changes. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Practice tip. Repeat this sentence aloud. I will not waste my time. I will use my time to grow. Say it again, slowly, confidently. You are learning English, but you are also building your future. See you in the next video.